Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem with your iPhone. So if you have iPhone error 4014, so if you connect to your iTunes and you receive this error, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing you need to check your iTunes for update. So just try to update your iTunes, and if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find general. In the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install, and it will successfully update your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so you can also just try another way. So just try to go to the general again, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you're using a cable to connect to your laptop, so just try to use another cable if you have it, or you can try to connect with Wi-Fi to your iTunes. So this is a way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.